Hello there. Welcome back to Mathematical Literacy Grade 4. In this video, we want to look at the common test of March 2022. So we are going to look at the first question that we have on that question paper. So according to our instructions and information, we are only concerned about instruction number 7, which is applicable to this video, which reads round off all final answers appropriately according to the given context, unless stated otherwise. So basically, that's what we have about the instruction that we're going to apply in this video. So on our question, we're going to look at question 1. In our question, we're going to start on part 1, which is given below is a Duke Wood footwear catalog showing some of the turkeys sold online. All prices include 15% VAT. And then we're given two information in terms of the pictures that we are given there that we just need to browse through before you answer the question. So beneath that, it reads, use the information above to answer the question that follow. For 1.1.1, define the word month according to the given context, that is 2 months. So obviously, our question needs us to define according to the given context. So you would see that according to the given context, we are seeing that we have turkeys that we are given there, that we need to explain the month within the context that we have. So obviously, we are going to define it from the point of view that the month, remember, the month is the item with the highest frequency, the one that is appearing most. So basically, in this context, we are going to say it is the turkey price that has highest frequency. So basically, this is a proper definition according to the context that we are given there. So we go to other section and try to define it within that as a contextually. So basically, we are now here. We are now saying this is our 1.1.1, and we are saying it is the turkey price. It is the turkey price that has the highest that is the highest frequency. So basically, that's the definition that we have in terms of our mode. Then we go to this next question that we have, which is 1.1.2. Arrange the prices of the turkeys in descending order. Remember, in descending order, we are starting from the highest value that we have until we reach the lowest value that we have. That is the descending order. So basically, the in terms of the representation, it will be the price. So we're going to check the price that we have there, and then we're going to start with the highest price that is shown in this catalog. So obviously, our prices are not very clear, but we will try to zoom them so that you can see the prices that we have here. So according to the prices, we can just try to see which one is the highest. But we are seeing a 1,600 here, and you see if you've got any that is above 1,600, you see that we don't have. But if you check there, you would see that we have 1,600 here, and we also have 1,600 here. So we have got two 1,600 that we are going to first mention on our other section. Remember, we are on 1.1.2, and we are saying we've got 1,600 runs, and also we have also another 1,600 runs. So we try to go back there and see the one that is below 1,600, just below 1,600. So go back, see that the next that we are going to see, we try to look there. We've got 1,500 here, and we try to see if we have got another 1,500. We go to try to check all the prices that we have. See that we don't have any 1,000, we only have one, so you can just include that one. So we are saying 1,500. Then we check the one which is just below 1,500 again. Remember, we have got 1,400, which we have here. 1,400, and obviously we need to check again if we have got another 1,400 so that we can include them all. We see that we've got another 1,400 here, so we can just include our 1,400 to see if we've got another one. Another 1,400. See that we have another one here again. So we have got three 1,400. So we go there and include them. So we are seeing we have 1,400 as the first one, and then we also 1,000 1,400 as the third one. Then we go in just below 1,400 again and try to see what we have. Okay, so we are going to 1,300 as we go down. 1,300. You see that we have got 1,300 here. We can just represent it here. We are saying 1,300 here, and also have 1,300 here. So check again. If we have another 1,300, we see that we only have two 1,300. So we go there and present our two 1,300. We put 1,300, and we also have 1,300. Then we check in terms of the next that we have after, just below 1,300. We have we check 1,200 as we go down. I will see that we do not have 1,200, 1,100. We don't have there, and then 1,000 it's not there. But we can see that we have got 999, which is this one, which is going to be the last one. So we only have one. As we check all of them, we've been included. So we have only one that is left, that is 999. So on the last one, we have 999. So this is an arrangement that we have in descending order, starting from the highest figure that we have to the lowest. So this is what we have. So we go to the next part of our question, which reads, calculate the range for the prices of turkeys. So obviously, on the calculation of our range, that is 1.1.3. Range, we are going to say the maximum minus the minimum. So according to the information given, we are going to look for the highest that we have. I remember we have already arranged them. So it's easier now to try to locate which one is the highest. We've got the highest as our 1,600, and then the lowest that we have is 999. So basically the difference between the two becomes the range. So we're going to say 1,600 minus 999. And I've seen that if we subtract that, the answer that you're going to get is 601. So this is what we have when we go to the next part of our question, which is now 1.1.4. In the statistical cycle, which stage comes after data representation? In the statistical cycle, which stage comes after data representation? We know that after data representation, that's where we have got interpreting or analyzing data. That is the stage that comes after representation. We are now interpreting it, and then we are also analyzing it. So basically, this is the stage that we're just going to mention on our answer section. So we are saying 1.1.4. So we are saying interpreting and analyzing. Interpreting and analyzing data. So this is the next stage. So go to the next part of the question. Based on the brand of turkeys, is the data above numerical or categorical? Remember, numerical is data presented in the form of quantities. So it's a quantitative analysis. Then if you look at the categorical, it's a qualitative analysis. So if you look at the data that we are given, you would see that it's data that is being presented in the form of brands of turkeys. So obviously it becomes a categorical data. So we just present in terms of as we are given, we are just going to say categorical as answer section. So go to answer section and we say 1.1.5, and we're saying our response is categorical. So this is what we have. So going to our next question, which is going to be the last question that we have, I think, on this question, which is 1.1.5. So basically, that's the last question that we have. We go to the next part of our question, which is 1.2. So we have got Mr. Kelly has an account with TFG. Given below is an extract from a statement. So we're given a statement there that you just need to go through, you browse through before you answer the question. So you can just go through it, and then beneath that we've got our questions. Use the information above to answer the following questions. 1.2.1, how much credit is available to Miss Kelly? How much credit is available to Miss Kelly? So we check on the statement. Obviously, we have the credit available stated there, that we are seeing there, obviously, and we are saying we have got 2,405. 2,405 rands at 67 cents. So basically, that's how we're going to state it on our answer section, whereby we are saying we are now looking at 1.2.1, and we have identified 2,405 rands 67 cents. So we just state that one, 2,405 rands 67 cents. So basically, that's what we have. Go to the next question. It reads, write down Mr. Kelly's credit limit. So credit limits, obviously, we have credit available, 2,405 rand 67 cents plus what is already been purchased. And remember, this credit balance we are given it on this date, that is at the beginning of February, that is 1 February 2022. And we can look now at the balance that is there on this date, that is at the beginning of February, and we can only get it on the open balance. So we have got our open balance is 6,284 rands 83 cents. So we can just add the two to get the credit limit. So basically, credit limit, we are saying the credit available plus the balance on the date of the credit available, of which we are saying the date of the credit available is the one that you are given at the beginning in the statement. So it's the one for the credit, this date is the one for the credit available, and which should correspond with the balance that you are having, that you are going to add to your credit balance. So basically, 2,405 rands 67 cents plus 6,284 rands 83 cents. Then you get your credit limit. So you're saying 1.2.2, whereby we are saying 2,405 and 67 cents, and then we add the opening balance that we are given, which is 6,284. 6,284. And then we check the cents that we have. We got 83 cents. So can I just add there? You see that the final answer that we're supposed to get there is going to be 8,690 rands 50 cents. So basically, this becomes your final answer. So this is what we have. So we go to the next part of our question, which is going to say, calculate the total value of the items Ms. Kelly bought in February 2022. So obviously, we have the column that is showing us what was bought. So we can just try to go there and see on the amount. We have got, this was a cash payment. It's not something that was bought, but we have got something that was bought 650 around 50 cents, which is 12-month plan purchase. So something bought. Then we've got purchase Edgar's again, something bought 110 around 25 cents. And then again, purchase Edgar's 309 around 80 cents. So we get 83, whereby we are going to say 615 rands 50 cents plus 110 rands 25 cents plus 309 rands 80 cents. And then the total becomes the figure that we are looking for is value of the items bought. So we come to the answer section and just add those, whereby we are saying this is 1.2.3, whereby we are saying the total is equal to, we've identified the first one is 615 rands 50 cents as having this one, 650 rands 50 cents, and then we add 110 rands 25 cents. So we are saying plus 110 rands 25 cents, and then finally we add 309 rands 8 cents. So we are saying 309 rands 8 cents. So we do that, we see that the total that we are supposed to get there becomes 1,035 rands 55 cents. So basically, this becomes your final answer that we are having. So basically, that's what we have. I will check on the next question, which is saying calculate the value of x and y. We are having our x, we are having our y. So obviously, To get to our X, we have got 6,530 rands 58 cents as the last balance that we have. And you check what is transpired on 26 on 26 February 2022. You see that there is a purchase which took place, which is going to increase the balance. So you're going to say 6,530 58 cents plus 309 rands 80 cents. So we can just show the working and our answer section by saying 1.2.4. With Fairback, we have 6,530 530 rands. We have 58 cents. And then we add 309 rands 80 cents. So we add the two. We get a total of 6,840 rands 38 cents. So this becomes your final answer. So we go to the next part of our question, which is going to be the last part. Remember, this is our X. Let's just take note. We were calculating X as we refer back. This was X. And then Y is the same as X. Because after X, nothing transpired. So it means the same value that we have for X is for Y. So basically, here we are saying Y is supposed to 6,840 rands 38 cents. So basically, that's what we have. So we go to the next part of our question, which is saying 1.2.5. Write down the installment for February 2022. Stated as it is. We go back, we see that we have got installments 408 rands. It's clearly stated, so it's just a matter of picking the figure that we are given there. It's 480 rands. So basically, we go and state that one. Here we are saying 1.2.5. And the figure that we have is 480 rands. So simple as it is. So this becomes the last part of our question according to this video. So please, let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's not forget to share the link to our colleagues who are doing grade 12 mathematical literacy. Remember, more typical examination questions are going to be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's get notified. Let's get notified by subscribing and turning on the notification button so that when there are new uploads, we get notified. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.